Hello and welcome back to the market analysis video. So today was market quite trending, expecting expiry. As we see, market ने 38,167.95 का high था, 37,591 का low, approx 537 points rally market gave on intraday basis. So let's see exactly. आज कितनी अपॉर्चुनिटी मार्केट में अपने पास थी? 567 approx. Yes. So that was a market move on intraday basis, high to low and close somewhere in between. Very well. So let's see how many opportunities we had. The very first opportunity which was clear on the face of the chart was this is 1 minute candle. Okay, you call it a 1 minute candle, or if you change time frame to 15 minutes, because until this 9:35, so 15 minutes market was not taken out anywhere. Okay, so first 15 minutes range is also the same as of first minute range. Okay, so market tried, as you know, that market की जो भी opening high जो range होती है, whether it's high or low, next time when market touch that range, that acts as a support or resistance. Okay, so in this case it acted as a resistance and market gave a rejection, and then it started to continue downside. Okay, and there was a day's high. Clear? After a while this was taken down downside. It means market was actually giving you, from few days we are actually looking for a downside opportunity. So basically market was clearly in a mood to give you downside breakdowns. So this was a trade. The first, if you could figure it out, this was your first trade, and I don't know how long you could remain in the trade, but then this was the second one, because that was the range after. This is the morning range. This was another breakdown, retest, and then continuation of the fall. So now the expected range was you could at least 37,600 was the range, so 400 points you could have taken. Now as we discuss the RSI divergence, let's see if we have. Yes, we have. So here was your trade. This was the lowest point of the day, and this is exactly where you could have exited your trade. You should have. I don't know if you did or not, because RSI clearly gave indication. It had a signal where it clearly showed. I'll remove this for clarity. Okay, now that there is a divergence. So what it clearly says that price made lower low, RSI made higher low. It means the downside momentum is lost. Okay, so somewhere here you should have gotten out of your trade, and then this was a reversal point at the same time, and market reversed from this point low. So this was your probable second trade. You had a 322 points upside rally you could have taken on intraday basis if you were a scalper or if you were a trend trader. Let me show you another thing. Maybe you could not be able to take trade here, but the level was this. As we discussed, this price took support. See, RSI is below 40 line. It means market is bearish. The moment on an even minute time frame, it took support at 40, and this is the low, which is maybe 650, and then price somewhere close, I think here 850. 200 points still on intraday basis you could make, if not 322, at least 200 points on intraday basis. Clearly the RSI gave you signal to enter, because this was no more bearish anymore, because it took support at RSI 40. Okay, so this was another setup you could take a trade on. Let me remove drawings, indicators. Let's come to the bigger time frame. Yes, so it is still bearish. We have our levels intact, 37,100. Yes, 37,100 levels. And upper side pay market trying to go higher, but it's not able to so far. Let's see if it gives you any kind of divergence. So far, no as such divergence that market can reverse. So basically it is still in downtrend. So keep looking for the opportunity. Tomorrow is last working day trading session. Today was expiry, and it was quite trending. So we can have still further downside move. Let's check Nifty. Yes, Nifty is beautiful. Again today, finally it gave a first good pullback, and obviously it is to further go down, hopefully. So far, no. Okay, we got some kind of divergence here. We have divergence in Nifty, so probably Nifty is going to hold for some time now after a correction of about 667 points in 3 days. So that's the move we could able to capture, if not on intraday, at least on positional. So that's why I say that if you play intraday, you will get few points, but if you play positional, you will be able to capture the entire rally, or if it is 60 to 80% of the rally. So if you want to make big money, you have to go positional, whether it's cash or options or futures, whatever it is. Try to take a long trade, I mean swing trades at least minimum. So that's Nifty. Let's see on HDFC Bank, since we are tracking it. Yes. Okay, we discussed yesterday's video that until unless this range is taken out, the support level, it doesn't break, you cannot look for any opportunity. So either on Bank Nifty or HDFC Bank, either side, whichever gives you first signal to of a breakdown, then you can go for a long short trade. So just check at what time frame. Somewhere here at 1:30 you got a break. Sorry, this is the time frame 9:15. So this was a breakdown, touched low high and then started to continue its downfall. So 11:45. So you got signal on the HDFC as well, and then Bank Nifty. So there was a clear indication that you should look for short side trade only. Do we have any kind of divergence? No, HDFC is still not giving any kind of divergence. So we can expect Bank Nifty to further fall. So let's see how severe this fall can be, but we don't expect any kind of reversal anymore until the budget takes place. So that should be all for today. Hope you learned something new. Do share and subscribe and hit the like button. I'll wind up this video for now. Take a good care of yourself.